Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Wi-Fi in laptop. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open the Device Manager there. When you do, display the options in Network Adapters. You will right-click on your Wi-Fi controller and then click on the Disable Device option. In the pop-up window, click Yes, and after a moment, you will see that your Wi-Fi has been disabled on the laptop. Alternatively, in the search box, enter View, open View Network Connections. Now select the Wi-Fi adapter. Click on Disable this network device and wait a bit for your adapter to be disabled. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.